Hi, Christina. This is Mercedes from Minneapolis. I would like to know if you could only eat one dessert for the rest of your life, what would that dessert be?
You know what? I like to pretend that's a hard question, but if I'm being really honest, it's an easy one.
I love it.
It's
Real
chocolate
talk.
chip cookie dough. I know, real talk, it's chocolate chip cookie dough. And I would like to reserve the right to do everything from like sometimes I'm in a chipless mood, like I want fresh chocolate chip cookie dough out of the mixer, but chip free, because sometimes the chips just slow me down. Sometimes I take the chocolate chip cookie dough and like microwave it for 5 seconds or 6 seconds just till it's gooey. Sometimes I take the chocolate chip cookie dough, put it in the oven, but only put it in the oven for like half the time, like in a really naughty cookie dough cookie way. For me, like the beauty and simplicity of a cookie never gets old. Truly, like it reminds me of childhood. It's like the forever young mentality, and for as like grateful as I am for the variety of like flavors and food experiences that I've had in my life, I think one of the most grounded things for me is my never-ending love for cookie dough.
Oh, that's so you.
I can't help it. I can't help it.